I was fortunate enough to serve on the expert panels of the American Dental Association and the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons and co-authored the guidelines on appropriate antibiotic use for patients with prosthetic joints, as well as the ADA's clinical practice guideline on appropriate antibiotic use for endodontic infections. I've done cardiac clearances for hospital surgical programs for 20 years. We know in the United States, nearly 30,000 people die every year from C. diff antibiotic associated infections, as well as another 35,000 patients who die every year from antibiotic resistant superbug infections. That equates to nearly 175 people dying every day in the United States from an antibiotic associated infection. Dentists prescribe nearly 10% of all prescriptions. So that means we're contributing to thousands of deaths per year. And we know that over 80% of prescriptions that dentists write are not concordant with the guidelines, and most are written for prevention. So in an effort to prevent an infection, we actually may be harming our patients.
Join Dr. Tom Palmer September 19th, 2025 for the new dental antibiotic guidelines, prophylaxis, appropriate clinical use, and stewardship. This training will offer 4 live CE credits. You may also access the recording today. Visit dentalceacademy.com or phone us at 888-964-3976 to register. Powered by Dental CE Academy. Thank you.